Hey guys, welcome back to Topura Tech. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add your webmail account to Gmail. This way, you can manage all your emails from one convenient place. Whether you are using webmail for businesses or personal use, this is step-by-step guide will make the process simply and straightforward. So let's get started. To do this, you need to open your Gmail account and your hosting site for your website. So I am using the Bluehost for my site for this video. So to create an account, you need to go to the Gmail first, and then from there just click setting, then see all setting, then click account and import, then scroll down and click add another email address. Then this menu bar will be pop up on your screen. You can leave it on the side or front of you. Then go to your web hosting site, and then with the Bluehost. So from here, click email, then cPanel email. Then I'm going to use this site, so just manage email, and from there, cPanel email. Click continue. And from here, just check email. So I'm going to use support at allskill.com. This one. I have another video how to create a cPanel email. So you're very welcome to see that one. And then from here, just need to click. This is your inbox. So just click that and open your inbox. Then you need to click the configure mailbox, and then you need to use those details. So I need my box here in front of me. Oops. Okay. Now, so you need to fill out the information. So I'm going to use the support unit. .com. Okay, and click next, and then they will ask you the same email, and from there you need to add the password. So when you're creating the email, so your password is really important. So you need to use those here, and then I need to change the details here, so you can see 465. So you need to click that, and then click here, the account. Okay. After clicking here, you will receive like the email configuration, so confirmation, and they will send you uh, send you email in your box. So you can go back to your inbox, click here, and then your confirmation email will be here, and there will be verification links. So you need to just click the link and that's all. Then automatically your email address will be added here. I have added uh, two more new emails here. You can see this is all a webmail, and then you can test from here. You can compose the email, and then you can check the email is uh, ready to use, and then your email address will be available here when they will activate. My server is not working, so I cannot show you like what this look like, but I can show you like the my previous one I was created earlier. So this is my webmail, so you can see here. So, and then if you want to highlight your email, just click here and then choose your colors, and you can customize the color. That's all you need for like adding the webmail to your Gmail. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do let me know, and please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much for watching, uh, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.